Hello friends! While designing this vintage photo book, I wanted to create something special. I really focused on details. I used different types of paints, structure pastes and stencils to create mixed media decoration. Before I show you this huge scrapbook, let me introduce you to the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community where you can explore new skills or improve the existing ones. They offer thousands of different classes on topics including crafts, illustration, hand lettering, journaling and many more. I always wanted to improve my hand lettering so I would be able to add decorative notes and titles to my scrapbooks. I found a class on Skillshare where beginners like me can learn how to design and draw beautiful phrases. Lettering artist Mary-Kate McDavid introduces basics of hand lettering and guides you through the process of creating your own project. In her class called Hand Lettering Essentials for Beginners, she shows step by step how to transform hand lettering into artful design. I love how she shows different types of letters and doesn't focus only on one font lettering. Her videos are easy to follow for beginners like me and full of useful tips for those who are more advanced. In the first part of her video lessons, she introduces the world of hand lettering with all the tools and useful advice on how to get started. Mary-Kate then guides you through the whole process of creating your very own hand lettering project. Classes on Skillshare are created specially for learning, which means there are no ads in between. Join millions of creative and curious people for less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. With Skillshare, you can learn new skills which will help you stay inspired. First 1,000 of you to use the link in the video description below will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and now let me walk you through this huge photo book. Covers of the album are made from eco leather, which is a synthetic material. This means it's an artificial leather and it's not a real one. To decorate the covers, I've used metallic and wooden embellishments. After gluing them to the chipboard frame, I've used a set of pastes to create a patina effect. To make a 3D structure of the background, I've used stencil templates and structure paste. Next, I've painted the surface with acrylic colors and added glitter for the shimmery finish. There is a blank scrapbook paper between two pages to protect mixed media decoration. To create an old look, I've used a distresser tool on edges and ink to stain the paper. I've used a set of powder and liquids on metallic clips and chains to achieve rusty surface. Insertable cards are made from chipboard that is 1 mm thick. I've painted the edges with cold acrylic paint and decorated the cards with scrapbook paper. I've also added metal label clips so it's easier to pull out the cards from the pockets. For decorating the pages, I've used pre-made chipboard picture frames. Belt strips are made with cutting dies and die cutting machine. I've also used pre-made mini envelopes to store journaling notes.
Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. I've kept my feelings grounded and gone without all kept within. By these high walls I've been surrounded, walls to her eyes only paper thin. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the turning of the tide. And the match that drew the spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. That ain't love, I don't know what is.
I had a lot of fun making this album and experimenting with new craft techniques, so I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough and how the album turned out. I will soon be uploading the tutorial for this scrapbook. Make sure you don't miss it by subscribing and turning the notifications on. I always love to see your work, so you can send me pictures of your craft projects on my Instagram or tag me in your photos. Happy crafting, and I will see you in next video.